What's going on, everybody? Chuck here with VMP Performance, and today I'm in Mike Storey's 2020 Roush Nitemare. This is a specialty built F-150 by Roush. You can buy straight from the factory. They advertise it at 650 horsepower. Mike brought us this truck and said, you know what, guys, the 650 they advertise this at, truck only made 500 wheel, and that's just not going to do it for me. What can you guys do to help out? Well, Mike, you're in luck. Here at VMP, we make things fast, we make them fun, and then the best solution for this truck is going to be our new Odin supercharger. We did a VAS 3.5 drop, we did a fuel system, E85, and we put our beautiful 2.65 Odin supercharger on top of this, replacing the Roush 265 to an outcome of a 766 wheel horsepower, a pickup of over 250 wheel from the Roush blower. Alright, so I know in most of the reviews that I do, I try to give you guys at least a little bit of a sense of the feel and the sound that these things make. Unfortunately, with this truck, even with all of the suspension setup that it has on it, at 760 wheel on all season tires, it just really isn't going to happen. I will do my best, however, while being responsible, to at least give you somewhat of an idea what the truck does on the street. I'm going to roll into it just to give these tires the best possible chance they can get. Traction control is not happy about that. As soon as you get over about half throttle, traction control says, hey you, no, you're not doing that. Alright everybody, so thanks for checking out my review of Mike's truck. I know he's going to be super stoked with it. This thing came to us as a bone stock Roush Nitemare, and it's leaving a whole different animal now with the new Odin supercharger. If you want to build like this with your vehicle, Mustang, F-150, whatever you've got, hit us up here at VMP Performance. We're happy to take care of you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys again next time.